Hey guys, this is Samantha. I recently ran into an issue with my Spellbinders Glimmer machine, and it was that I couldn't find the power cord. Yeah. So I was looking online, and I was trying to see, you can see where the power cord goes right there. I was looking online, and I was trying to see if, like Spellbinders maybe sold replacement power cords, or if anybody did, and I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find anything at all about where I could get a replacement power cord from. So I did some looking around online, and I want you to, do you see how that little thing is? So I learned that this takes a C7 polarized power cord, and I actually found one at Walmart. It was less than $10. I will link it below along with a few others, and it works really well. I'm gonna just plug it in. Be right back. I'm gonna plug it in and I'll show you. All right, I have it plugged in so you can see, and I'm going to turn it on. See that little red light? And it heats up. It works really well. So I don't know if Spellbinders will void the warranty if you use a third-party power cord or not. It's possible that they will if you use one and it damages your machine, so just be aware of that. And I hope that this helps someone. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Take care. Bye.